Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We'll be demonstrating on the 2012 Ford F-150. Even if you have a different year but that generation, video may be helpful. We're going to go ahead and open the fuse box that's located right under the hood on your F-150. When you pop the hood open in the engine bay, right above the radiator fan, you will have that fuse box. When you open it, you will face it that way with the relays towards the windshield, and this will be towards the front of the vehicle. You can see you have different relays, different fuses. Those could be really expensive at the parts store, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. But before we start, let us explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we'll need to check, guys, will be in that last row of fuses right here, that one on the right side with small fuses, and the fuse is known as fuse number 78. If we come here, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, that 15 fuse. That's the fuse, guys, that you need to check. That's for the ignition coils. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with finding the ignition coils fuse.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.